Hi, my name is Nick, Klober's Portfolio Manager, and today we're going to be looking to install our Uniclick Dry Verge System alongside some concrete interlocking tiles. Our Uniclick Dry Verge System has a neat interlocking design allowing a professional, high-quality finish to the roofline. It's available in 4 colours and is designed to work with most manufacturers' roof tiles that are available. The main purpose of the Uniclick Dry Verge is to offer protection at the edge of the roof, the area that we call the verge, protection from wind and rain. It's also providing a secondary mechanical fix in accordance with BS 5534. So the Dry Verge is allowing a mortar-free application, saving time and mess and offering you a maintenance-free roof system. So let's go and have a look at how we fit the Uniclick Dry Verge. Once the roof has been felted, you will need to install the tiling battens, ensuring they are extended 30mm beyond the gable wall or barge board. This will allow for screw fixing the verge with flat-headed screws. Alternatively, you can fix the verge units using a ring shank nail. This should be fixed through a batten end clip, which should be fitted to the end of every batten and would require a smaller overhang of 20mm. Remember to check the quality of the battens prior to fixing. Ends must be in good condition with no signs of decay or splitting. Next, you will need to fix the eaves closure. Firstly, break off the tab for the appropriate side, either left or right. This should then be twice fixed to the end of the fascia board, brickwork or timber tilt fillet. The roof is now ready for tiling in the normal way, ensuring the tiles finish flush with the end of the battens. Klober's Uniclick Dry Verge is a handed product, so we have a left and a right hand version, which results in a neater finished appearance. Today we are fitting a left hand verge, which as you can see is on the left as you look at the roof. Fit the first verge section, making sure that it is located onto the eaves closer. Once in position, the verge unit can be screw fixed into the end of the batten using flat-headed screws. Moving on to the second course, clip the bottom of the verge unit in place first, and then lift the top of the verge unit over and clip into place. As each successive verge tile is laid, slide the Uniclick Dry Verge unit up to the bottom end of the tile, engaging with the unit below, and repeat the fixing method into the batten end. Repeat the process until all units cover the roof verge. Insert a ridge closer into the last unit, interlocking the combs of each ridge closer section at the apex. To finish, screw fix the ridge end cap into the ridge batten, securing it in place and completing the Uniclick Dry Verge system. The ridge system will need to be installed prior to fixing this. Remember, you should always seek professional guidance when installing Klober's products. If you are struggling, please contact Klober's technical department for further assistance or visit klober.co.uk.